I am CJ sir, and today I'll be taking the demo lecture on mathematics of standard 7th. The topic would be indices. So please follow me. We'll start with a very simple way of teaching indices. All of you know that 2 into 2 gives us 4. If I have the number 2 multiplied 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, it gives us the value 8. Now, the question is how to represent these numbers. Suppose I'm having the multiplication of 200 times. So will I be writing 2 into 2 into 2 like this 100 times? No, that is very cumbersome. So indices is exactly for that purpose. We will be writing any indice in this way. Suppose I'm having the number 2 multiplied 10 times. So I will be writing it in this way. 2 raised to 10. I repeat, 2 raised to 10. अब मैथ्स के लैंग्वेज में ये जो नंबर 2 है इसको क्या बुलाएंगे? इसे हम बेस बुला सकते हैं. बेस यानी वो नंबर जो नीचे रहता है. एंड ये नंबर 10 जिसे हमने पावर की तरह ऊपर लिखा है, इसे इंडेक्स या एक्सपोनेंट कहा जाएगा. इंडेक्स या एक्सपोनेंट. सिंपल भाषा में ये नंबर 10 को हम टोपी भी बोल सकते हैं ऑफ द नंबर 2, क्योंकि ऊपर लिखते हैं इसको. एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. सपोज मैंने लिखा 3 रेज़ टू 4, तो इसमें ऑब्वियसली 3 जो है वो बेस हो गया क्योंकि उसको नीचे लिखा है, और ये नंबर 4 जिसे हमने ऊपर लिखा है वो बन गया पावर या इंडेक्स या फिर एक्सपोनेंट यानी टोपी 3 का. So, understanding friends, let's take more examples and let's see simultaneously how to read them. So, if I am having a variable x and I have written a power 5, then we'll read it as x raised to 5. I repeat, x raised to 5. Let us take more examples. This would be read as minus 2 raised to 7. Y raised to 4. So, in these examples, tell me what is the base? Yes, you guessed it right. Here the base is x. Here the base is minus 2. And here the base is y. The powers or the indexes 5, 7, and 4. So, this is how we represent indices. Now, let us take 2 basic rules for indices. The first one, any indice having the power as 1 will give us the same base as the answer. X raised to 1 is x. Similarly, the number 7 raised to the power 1 will give us 7. The number 4 raised to the power 1 will give us 4. You guessed it right. So any base raised to the power or the index 1 will give us the same base as the answer. This is the first rule. The second rule is any number raised to the power 0 will give us the value as 1. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, 4 raised to 0 will be 1. Any number x raised to 0 will also be 1. Now, two special descriptions regarding indices. Suppose we have the power as 2. So, obviously, we read this as 3 raised to the power 2. But we can also call this indice as square of 3. That is 3 squared. So remember friends, whenever the power or the exponent is the number 2, it is called the square of that particular base. Another example would be minus 2 raised to the power 2. तो क्या बोलेंगे इसे? We will call it as square of minus 2 or minus 2 squared. Similarly, suppose we have the power as the number 3. Like for example 4 raised to 3. Then this we can call it as the cube of 4 or 4 cubed. Say take more examples. Suppose we have 7 raised to 3. So we can call it as cube of 7. Got it friends? Or 7 cube. That's all for today friends. We'll continue